In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Zara gift card balance. If you have a Zara gift card and want to know exactly how much money is left on it, the process is quick and simple. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each part clearly so you can check your balance without any confusion. To begin, open the Zara gift card page. You can do this from your phone, tablet, or computer, whichever is more convenient for you. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct official Zara website for your region. That helps ensure the information you enter is secure and that the balance shown is accurate. When you're on the gift card page, look for the option that says Check Balance or View Balance. The wording may vary slightly depending on the version of the site you're using, but it should be easy to spot. Go ahead and select that option to move to the Balance Lookup section. Next, you'll need to enter the details from your gift card. Start with the gift card number. This is usually printed directly on the card or included in the digital gift card information if you received it electronically. Enter the number carefully, making sure there are no mistakes or missing digits, since even a small typo can prevent the system from finding your card. After that, enter the CVV or security code. This is another important piece of information used to verify the card. Depending on the card type, this code may appear on the back of the physical card or within the digital gift card details. As you type it in, double-check that each number is correct. Once both pieces of information have been entered, click the Check Balance button. The website will process your request and retrieve the current remaining amount on the card. This usually only takes a few seconds. After the page updates, you'll be able to view your remaining balance. This is the amount still available to spend on future Zara purchases. It's a good idea to review the balance carefully, especially if you're planning to use the card right away or combine it with another payment method during checkout. And that's all there is to it. By opening the Zara gift card page, selecting the balance option, entering your gift card number and security code, and clicking Check Balance, you can quickly see how much is left on your card.